Let's see what dates do to my blood sugar. This is just over 80 grams of medjool dates, and this serving contains over 54 grams of sugar. I've been getting a lot of requests to do dates, and there's a lot of sugar in these, so I'm really curious to see what it's going to do to my blood sugar. Okay, it's been a couple of hours after I've eaten the dates. Let's have a look at the monitor to see what happened. So this is a really interesting result for me, simply because before I ate the dates, I was very concerned that I was about to ingest 54 grams of sugars. That's quite a bit of sugar, but as you can see here, the dates did not increase my blood sugar that much. Even though they have a high amount of sugar, they are relatively low on the glycemic index, which makes it a good choice for people who are concerned about their blood sugar levels. Remember, everybody will react differently, especially if you are diabetic, so always test your blood sugar levels. I'm actually really impressed with these dates, and they're making my top 5 list of sweet treats that won't raise your blood sugar too much.